And actually, go more this way. Yeah, no, no, right there, right there. That's perfect. That's perfect. Yep. All right, tell you when. Whoa! She's windy. The gusts are real. The gusts are real, bro. Holy crap. Yeah. Why is this windy? Because it's what? Probably about 33? Look at this. I think it's just dancing all over the place. Yeah. It's not fun. But I had to use the battery. Whoa! You see how it's hacking on the wings, man? It's ridiculous.
I split my plane.
Whoa. Oh, it just blows it. Holy crap, man.
How high can you go?
I don't know, but I'm not going to try and find out on this windy ass day. Because where I go vertical at, it'll probably be like 400 meters away from where it comes down. Look. It's just blowing it like there's no tomorrow. Yeah, I'm not going to go too high. Oh, that's pretty windy.
Oh man, that was so good. That was a good one. That was a good. I need to get that.
As soon as you show the wings, it just takes it, man. Okay, landing this thing is going to be interesting.
Flaps half, flaps 4, flaps half.
Okay, let's see what we get. Yeah, I got flaps in. Probably should. Oh man. Holy crap. Well, I don't know if you guys can hear the wind, but it's ridiculous. Here's what the flag kind of looks like. It's like gusts of about 30, 33, I think. Anyways, just had to get my flying fix in today. Cold, snowy. Well, snow's melted anyways. Anyways, Houston out.